Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making creamy pasta. To my chopped boneless chicken, I'm adding some salt, seasoning cube, garlic powder, and then some ginger powder and also some onion flakes. You can use some onion powder if that's what you have. I'll mix this thoroughly and go ahead to fry. To my pan, I'm adding some oil and I'll fry this for about 10 minutes, 5 minutes on each side until it is thoroughly fried. Now, once this is fried, I'm going to set this aside and then go ahead to fry other ingredients. I'm using the same pan because of the flavor, frying some onions, some ginger garlic paste, and then once this is fried, I'm going to go ahead to add some crushed tomatoes. I use canned ones, you can use fresh one as well. And then I'm adding some tomato paste and I will leave this to fry for some minutes. When it's fried, I'm going to add some salt, some seasoning cube, some parsley, mix this thoroughly and also add some stock to help it cook thoroughly. And once I add the stock and mix it together, I'm going to leave this to cook for about 5 more minutes so it can absorb the stock flavor and it can cook completely. Now, once it is cooked, I'm going to now add my veggies. I'm using some bell peppers, carrots, and some chili peppers as well. And then I'm going to add the chicken that I fried earlier. And I'm going to fry this for about 1 to 2 minutes before I then go ahead to add my cooking cream. Now I used 1.5 cups. You can use 2 cups if you would like, whatever suits you. And then once this boils or cooks to an extent, I'm going to go ahead to add my cheese so that the cheese can melt into the cream. Now, after adding the cheese, I'm also going to go ahead and add my already cooked spaghetti. Mix it thoroughly and then serve. So there you have it, your tasty, creamy pasta. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.